Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 23. Future tense. Let's learn English.
We show the future tense of the verb
by adding the word will before the present form.
Soon, tomorrow, later, and next year
are time expressions that show that the action has not yet been done.
What will Bert do if Matthew is sick?
Bert will take care of Matthew.
What will Betty do with Martin tomorrow?
She will bring him to the park.
What will Matthew do tomorrow morning?
Matthew will eat his favorite breakfast.
What will Martin do after school?
He will finish his homework.
Gathered, gathers, will gather. Cooked, cooks, will cook. Talked, talks, talk.
Rode, rides, will ride. Played, plays, will play. Bought, buys, will buy.
Clean, cleans, will clean. Poured, pours, will pour. Drank, drinks, will drink.
We show the future tense of the verb
by adding the word will before the present form.
Soon, tomorrow, later, and next year
are time expressions that show that the action has not yet been done. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct verb and complete the sentences.
Number 1. Robert. In grade 2 next year.
Robert will be in grade 2 next year.
Number 2. Ellen. Her homework tomorrow morning.
Ellen will finish her homework tomorrow morning.
Number 3. I. At 6 a.m. tomorrow.
I will get up at 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Number 4. Shuri. Home early today.
Shuri will go home early today.
Number 5. I. To school early tomorrow.
I will come to school early tomorrow.
Quiz number 2.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Fill in the blanks with the future tense of the verbs given in brackets.
Number 1. I. Josh, my photo album tomorrow.
Number 1. I will show Josh my photo album tomorrow.
Number 2. George. Fish in the river next week.
Number 2. George will catch fish in the river next week.
Number 3. I. My homework tonight.
Number 3. I will do my homework tonight.
Number 4. Miss Annie. The mountain next month.
Number 4. Ms. Annie will climb the mountain next month.
Number 5. Aunt May. Vegetables and fruits in the market later.
Number 5. Aunt May will buy vegetables and fruits in the market later.
Number 6. I. My favorite cartoons this evening.
Number 6. I will watch my favorite cartoons this evening.
Number 7. Grandma. The best cookies.
Number 7. Grandma will bake the best cookies.
Number 8. He. The house with colored brown.
Number 8. He will paint the house with color brown.
Number 9. Chris. The piano at the concert.
Number 9. Chris will play the piano at the concert.
Number 10. Hannah. In Switzerland next year.
Number 10. Hannah will live in Switzerland next year.
Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Fill in the future tense of the verbs.
Past tense. Liked. Looked. Baked. Played. Cleaned.
Present tense. Likes. Looks. Bakes. Plays. Cleans.
Liked. Likes. Will like.
Looked. Looks. Will. Look.
Baked. Bakes. Will bake.
Played. Plays. Will play.
Cleaned. Cleans. Will clean.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.